I got here a Budweiser neon sign that I fixed. All this part, the BUDWE, was broken. What I want to show you here is how to know if the rest of the sign works. Imagine that this part, which I'm going to take out, is broken. So I'm going to take it out so the sign will do what it does when it has a broken neon. And I'll show you what it does. This one blinks on and off. Sometimes what they do is just blink once and that's it. But then, let's say you want to know if the transformer is bad or the rest of the neon is bad also or something. So this is what you do. You see this? In this case, there's some holes here in which inside there's a spring. One hole there, another one over here. These holes are where the electrodes go. These electrodes, this is one, and this is the other one. And they make contact with the spring inside, and that's where they get the electricity. So you need to know if the rest of the sign is working. So for that, we're going to use some wires. The wires have to reach from one hole to the other. So you connect one of the wires, you put it in the hole, make sure it makes contact with the spring, then the other one to the other hole, making sure, like I said, that it makes contact with the spring. And then you connect the sign again. I mean, you plug the sign again. If everything else is good, transformer and neon, it'll light up normal, like it is right now. That's because you're using a jumper wire to complete the circuit. So that's how you test that sign. Whenever you reinstall a neon on a sign, you want to use these wires. They're called tie wires. You don't have to put them on all the supports, but at least on 3 of them. That's one. Two. The last one on the E. That way you're making sure that the neon will not fall from the sign.